Yeah man peeps, welcome back to my channel, and I know this is your girl Kelly. So here what's going on today peeps. Yeah man, I hope all of you is doing well today peeps. So guess what's going on today? I'm gonna be cooking some pumpkin soup peeps. Yeah man peeps, so let us come over here and see what I have peeps. Yeah man peeps, so we have peeps. So as you can see, we have some cow skin. Yeah man peeps, and I have some soup meat. Yeah. Yeah man peeps, so that I go on today. We have some chicken foot and I have some ghetto chicken. Yeah man peeps, so those are the meat that I will be using in my soup today peeps. And as you can see, I have my pumpkin, we have my corn, we have my carrot, my Irish, and my cock soup. Yeah man peeps, and we have my yam, white yam and yellow yam. Yeah man peeps, me also have a breadfruit, but me leave it downstairs, me go send for it. Yeah man peeps, and me have my scallion and thyme, and me season them to spice up my pot. Same way peeps. Yeah man people, so that I go on to the peeps. So as you can see peeps, we already catch the fire, so we're going to go ahead and cook. Yeah man peeps, so that I go on to the peeps. Some soup. It's strong up here people. Yeah man, I love the people, you know, so I just continue to stay up and watch how they go on the peeps. And I remember no peeps. Don't have to fall asleep, you know. Yeah man. Now big up on yourself peeps. Any. Yeah man peeps, as you can see, you clean up the meat. Yeah man peeps, so me there they clean up the cow skin people. Yeah man peeps. That's what's going on. Yeah man peeps. Yeah man peeps, and I wanna go do a peeps. But me been telling the people, I said I wanna go nice, like a spice. I remember I know peeps. When I talk entertain a spice, you know peeps. When they talk about chili spice. Yeah man, me lovely people. Yeah man peeps, and if you remember peeps, they always like, share and comment people. And tell a friend, if you tell a friend about Kelly Jamaica TV. Yeah man peeps. So that I go on today in a Kelly kitchen people. Some cow skin, soup meat, ghetto chicken, and chicken foot soup peeps. Man, me lovely people. That I go on today in a Kelly kitchen peeps. So I just stay up, you know, and continue watch what they go on, me lovely people. Yeah man, I'm big up on yourself all the time. Yeah man peeps, as you can see me I wash the cow skin here now. Yeah man peeps, getting the cow skin wash. Yeah man people, I'm big up Papi behind the camera. Yeah man peeps. I wanna go nice. Nice. What you mean man? Real Papi man. I drink some water. Peeps. I'm gonna wash it with some lime peeps. Yeah man. Never remember to buy vinegar peeps. So I use the lime. I just stay up and continue watch what go on, you know, my lovely people. Yeah, man. And as you can see, Poppy already set on the water already. So I go get some fish call off my meat. And I don't know how I do it already, peeps. Always, when I cook soup, I always use some of the hot water and scald off the meat first before I set the on peeps. So I just continue to stay up and watch what go on, my lovely people. Any. Yeah, man, peeps, so we are getting some of the hot water and the fish call off it. Alright, that good, that good. Set on the back. Yeah, man, peeps. So me just they get this call off right now, people, and then me season it up. So me call it off, people go get it season up and set on it. So I just continue to stay up and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Any, yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, me have the cow skin season up, so me go ahead and get it in the pot. Yeah, man, peeps. So that I go on right about now. So I just stay tuned and watch how they go on. Any, yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, me I get the corn them clean up. Yeah, man, come go pressure the corn them with the cow skin, people. Yeah, man. So that I go on right about now, people. May I get them clean up and wash and put them in the pot for pressure with the cow skin. So I just continue to stay up and watch how they go on, you know, my lovely people. And remember, I'm telling the peeps, don't fall asleep. But don't let the TV watch on, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. And make sure to watch to the end of the video, people. Yeah, man. Support the channel, my people. How I mean? I'm lovely soup to them, my lovely peoples. No soup can't bad unless you have enough meat in it, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. So that one I go bad. Yeah, man. Go nice. Like a spice. Yeah, man, peeps. But just continue to stay up and watch how they go on. Any. Yeah, man, my lovely people. So me I get in the car and them. Yeah, man. So that I go on right about now. So Papi go come, lock the pressure put the pressure cooker now, peeps. So just stay tuned and watch what they go on. Any. Yeah, man, my lovely peeps. As you can see, I get the soup meat clean up. The man peeps. So that I go on right about now, people. The man peeps. Yeah, man peeps. So I get the soup meat clean up. Yeah, and Dav will come clean up the ghetto chicken and the chicken foot. Yeah, man. So just continue to stay tuned and watch how they go on, peeps. Any. I feel gone, Dav. Alright. Piece of fear one gone. Yeah, man peeps. As you can see, me I get the soup meat wash. Yeah, man peeps. And that I go on right about now, peeps. Yeah, man peeps. So this is the hot water, peeps. Let's call it off, peeps. Yeah, man peeps. So we go throw off the hot water right now and then we get some seasoning on it. Yeah, man, peeps. We have some garlic powder. We have some all different type of seasoning mixed up in this people. We have all-purpose meat seasoning, chicken seasoning, all spice, all different type of season, peeps. Yeah, man. So that's I go on right about now, peeps. So let us continue, stay up, and just watch what they go on. Any.
Yeah, man, peeps. I almost done leave the chicken foot. That's my peeps. Gone bad, you know. Soup with chicken foot and back. As well they say ghetto chicken. That's my peeps. Kelly the easy, you know, star. Chop my back. You see some bird they say have in a coop, Kelly. Go chop back.
Bird them.
Go chop a bird them back.
You want to chop my bird them back?
I'ma get,
You don't know, man.
you're easy at that.
You don't know what at all.
Oh, papi, I will up in back, so. You get it?
Something wrong with puppy back.
I don't know.
Puppy back. Well, alright. Yeah, I feel.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, you know, so I done do the smashy and then I do the ghetto chicken. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, peeps. Any? Yeah, man, peeps. Soon done do the ghetto chicken and where's my peeps? Yeah, man. The other rest them just deal with. Just then 2 piece I may have peeps. Left to deal with.
Yeah, man, peeps. And see the one puppy over there, so with Zafan. Hi, Zafan. Yeah, man, peeps. And that I go on right about now to the peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. So I just stay up and just continue watch what go on in my lovely people. Man, peeps. As you can see, the pressure pot still a pressure. Coconut tree load, people. Lot of coconut, people. The trees load. Yeah, man, peeps. The ackee tree load. Ackee so open up. Man, peeps. Soon time for ackee and saltfish. What you mean, peeps? Real.
Any?
Huh?
No joke. No joke, man, Kelly.
Yeah, man, peeps. That is it. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. So me getting some hot water on the ghetto chicken. Yeah, man, peeps. You can see it. Well hot water. Yeah, man, people. So that is what's going on right now, peeps. So then scald it off with some hot water, peeps. In the meantime, people will go get the pumpkin and the carrot. Deal with. Yeah, man. So we just stay tuned and just watch what they go on, peeps. Yeah, man. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, I get the pumpkin clean up. Yeah, man, my lovely people. Getting the pumpkin clean up, peeps. Because when I telling the peeps, I want to go nice, like a spice, peeps. Yeah, man, my lovely people. That a go on, peeps. It look like we gonna get some rain in the evening, peeps. Yeah, man. But I don't know how it will go on, peeps. If the rain come down, peeps, we have to go downstairs. Because you can see the night they come down too. Yeah, man, peeps, so just continue to stay up and watch I go on in a Kelly kitchen. Real peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, so me I get the carrot them peel. Man, my lovely people. So that I go on right now, peeps. And remember, peeps, if you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, people. Yeah, man, if you share up my video, no peeps. If you tell a friend, and a friend if you tell a friend about Kelly Jamaica TV, man. Yeah, man. Cause I wanna go nice, like a spice. And remember, you know, peeps, we not talk about entertainer spice, you know. We talk like the chili spice. Yeah, man, my people. So no just go and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Yeah, man. Any. Yeah, man, peeps, as you can see, me finish cut up the pumpkin and the carrot. So me are getting at the pot right now. Yeah, man, peeps. That I go on to the peeps. Yeah, man, any. Go ahead right now and leave the flour for going at the soup. Yeah, man, peeps. It's just a little bit of flour me I put in there because you not too like flour in the soup. Yeah, man, peeps, and me already wash my hand already. Yeah, man, peeps. So me I put in the flour, peeps, and then I get in the yam. Yeah, man, and the breadfruit. So we just continue stir up and watch how they go on. Peeps, and as you can see, like catch me up here. And I have to pressure the cow skin on a long piece. You know the cow skin is so the cow skin is so tough, peeps. Almost 2 hours I have to do the pressure it for peeps. Yeah, man. I go home to eat good. Yeah, man, peeps. So let us continue to stay up and watch our go on the lovely people. Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see me getting the dumpling them in the pot. Yeah, man, just to get me some liquor. Liquor roll up for. Yeah, man, peeps. So peep, we just finish cook up here and then go downstairs. Peeps. Yeah, man. That I go on to the peeps. And let me tell you, say peeps, I want to go do. I want to go nice, like a spice. One thing, peeps, the breeze up here. The breeze up here in the night, peeps, it's nice. Yeah, man, peeps. The breeze is so cool and nice. Yeah, man, people. Now just stay up in the people and continue watch what they go on, any. Man, peeps, just make sure they peel it clean enough, peeps, because I tell you, say, you can't wash young people. If I've never washed it, it scratch me hand, people. I did not touch me hand, no peeps. Me that crash, and no till tomorrow, people, if never want to wash it. So me always have to make sure say me peel it clean, well clean, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. So that's what go on right about now. So no just continue to stay up and watch how they go on, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. White yam, this me I feel now enough people. Yeah, man, this is the white yam. Looking lovely, peeps. Yeah, man, that is it. Just continue to stay tuned and watch what go on in the lovely people. Just stay tuned and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Yeah, man, peeps. So I get the breadfruit deal with you now, peeps. Yeah, man, nice yellow heart breadfruit, people. Yeah, man, peeps. So I get it peel, wash, and put in the pot right now, peeps. So I just continue, still, and just watch what they go on. Anyway, I'm talking about, man. See that puppy?
Hot.
Man, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, me just getting the breadfruit. Soup looking nice and ready, peeps, and enough finish. Man, this is it. That one that go nice. Like a spice, peeps. Yeah, man, see the peeps. And enough finish yet. Have a lot of meat in there, enough peeps. Yeah, man. Alright, Dav, cover it up there. Yeah, man, my lovely people. And just stay tuned and watch how they go on. I go ahead and get in the packs out them. I'm going to use Grace Maggie Pumpkin. Yeah, man, peeps. Come throw them, dog. Dog. And bring the cut off season. Yeah, man, peeps. Bring the cut up season. Alright, peeps, we're getting some salt. We're getting some natural seasoning and cut up pepper, scallion and thyme and onion. Peeps. Tell myself people, look at myself I wanna go do. I wanna go nice. Make up spice, peeps. Come on, peeps, come look in there, peeps.
Check it out, peeps.
Yeah, man. That is what's going on, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps, and just continue to stay up and watch where they go on, peeps. And the next time I don't see me, peeps, I go in my kitchen. Yeah, man, because I don't know, so the night come down, so I have to eat in my kitchen, peeps. And just stay up and watch where they go on. I watch over Dav over there, so they go on with peeps.
Touch him. You.
Funny dog, funny man. Alright, Dav. Yeah, man, put it on back now. Yeah, man, peeps, this is the pot of soup. Yeah, man, people, come take a look at it. Man, peeps, yeah, looking lovely, people. One pot of soup, with cow skin, chicken foot, soup meat, and ghetto chicken. Yeah, man, peeps, lovely pumpkin soup, people. So we go ahead right now and share out, peeps. So we just stay up and continue watch what they go on, peeps. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, me finish share out the soups. Yeah, man, peeps, come take a look at it. Man, peeps, look how lovely they are. Yeah, man, peeps. Instead of one that go nice like a spice. Yeah, man, peeps, look at that. Peeps, I wish I could have get some right now, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. So no almost make it to the end of the video, no peeps, but no just continue, stay up and watch how they go on, my lovely people. Remember, one of you tell a friend about Kelly Jamaica TV, man. Peeps, make sure you never they sleep, peeps. Yeah, make sure you never they sleep, peeps. I remember people of you always watch to the end of the video, peeps. Yeah, man. And thank you for the love and support, peeps. And just continue to support me same way. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. So we go ahead now and drink with soup, peeps. But we go say grace first. Heavenly Father, I thank you for this food. King Jesus Christ is blessed in your precious and holy name. Bless the hand that cook it and bless the hand that prepare it so that it may many more, Father God. Amen. All right, peeps. So we'll get tonight and now. Mm-mm. Peeps. Mm. Wow. But what we choose again? Mm. Well, spicy, right season, everything. That was, you know? too bad, peeps. Yeah, man. Don't me they tell on the peeps. They tell on us that I wanna go bad like a spice. I remember me telling you, you know, I'm not entertain a spice, you know. A chili spice. Real. Spice. As me tell the peeps, if you don't want me cook for you, the number in the description, and just link me up. Man, yeah, man, peeps. So guess what? I'm gonna make it to the end of the video. So remember now to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Kelly Jamaica TV. I'm out.